What's up, my beautiful masterpieces? It's your girl Mona Lisa. Welcome if you're new, welcome back if you're returning. So get ready to get into this video. This is over the course of the past 2 weeks. I finally finished this vlog. Some of it's kind of random, so I thought I better just get it out. It's not too much going on still in quarantine, so I haven't really been feeling that inspired or motivated to really record stuff. To me, I feel like it's not much too exciting to record. So hopefully y'all enjoy the video. This morning I'm drinking my new favorite Starbucks brand Tevana tea. It's Beach Bellini and it has pineapple and mango dried chunks in it. And it smells divine, like fresh fruits. And in this cup I have some green tea. Here are my beautiful roses I got for Mother's Day from my daughter. And now there's my tea. And I'm just going to read my new book I picked up, Next Level Thinking for 10 Power Thoughts by Joel Osteen. Breaker, you have to get rid of excuses. Going on in our building.
Hey guys, it's Tuesday and we're eating pizza and tomatoes.
Breadsticks.
Yeah, breadsticks.
Dang, they almost polished that box up, boy.
Watch this, guys. I'm gonna eat this. When you eat this, your face is gonna be like.
What's that? That boy, like you went to sleep. This is a candy station. Got our cheese popcorn.
Yep.
About to watch some Sonic. Now before bed I like to make this lavender and chamomile tea for me and my kids. It helps get you sleepy. And now I'm getting ready to take my Egyptian goddess milk and honey bath. You should check that out. I already did a DIY video. What's up, my beautiful masterpieces? So it's Wednesday. Lord, it is Monday. So I'm just cooking dinner. It's going on like 4:30.
Hey, masterpieces.
So anyway, I'm making me some of this steamed California medley. I'm going to add some non-dairy cheese on here. The kids are about to have broccoli and cheese. Then I'm making them steak and grilled shrimp. And I'm eating the grilled shrimp. So I'm about to season and tenderize the steak real quick with this steakhouse style steak and chop seasoning. Some ground black pepper and some garlic powder. So right here I got the broccoli boiling and I had to take this off. So I was trying to record. So I'm gonna get the butter going. and add the steak. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I don't have a meat tenderizer thing, so I just take 2 forks and stab it up. I already did the one side, so now I'm gonna go ahead and season this bad boy. This is a steak season. Some black pepper. A little garlic powder. I'm gonna flip it and do the other side. I forgot. You want to add a little oil on it so it can hold. The season. Olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. Ooh. All right, now let me check the skillet.
I tried it.
It's over. And I learned from Chef Ramsay, you're supposed to lift it up and hold it like this and do each side, brown each side. And get the tongs. But how do y'all eat your steak? When I used to eat steak, I used to love it well done. I didn't want no pink, but then I discovered it would be too dry. So I used to switch to medium rare. Or it would be a little pink inside, so that way it'd be a little bit juicy. But I don't see how some people can eat theirs rare. Like, no, no, no. Broccoli, that's about done. I'm ready to add. I got my George Foreman grill plugged up. I'm about to start grilling these shrimp. First, add some of this extra virgin olive oil. Got the shrimp thawing out. Sorry y'all, this lighting is bad in here. So I'm about to season the shrimp up. I like to use this Parquet spray butter. Then I'm gonna season it with some of this Creole seasoning. Some garlic and some parsley flakes. Just let it stir, add a little more. Okay, y'all, so the steak is coming along pretty good. Now I'm about to put these shrimp on the grill real quick.
Whoa. Can I try?
Yeah, when they're done.
What's that? I want to put this shrimp.
Leave them set for about 15 seconds. Cheese is mixed through. So the food is done, y'all. Alright. Banging. Banging.
Banging, baby, bacon.
Alright, y'all. So dinner was a success.
I'm gonna eat it. good. It's good. The whole food is good. She's the best chef, guys. Don't tell her I told you that, but she's the best chef.
You better say that, otherwise he won't eat. Just kidding. But no, I'm waiting on my California medley. Yeah, and I'm about to add some dairy-free cheese and eat my shrimp. Alright, about to eat dinner. Do y'all want some? You? Not drinking water. I'll usually have, I love these Lipton Diet Green Tea, mixed berry or the original green tea.
This is gonna get loosened. This part's a little tight. I forgot the one size up. She's getting kind of chunky.
Look at the Rosie.
So cute. Oh, that's kind of tight.
Put her hood on.
I don't let your ears out.
Cause fab dog.
Just be a.
Are you waiting for Anicia?
Go, Rosie.
Liz?